When I turn off the standby mode, it goes away. When I turn it on, it starts right back up. When I switch from 25 to 10, it goes away. As you can see, it's not through the speaker itself. I'm waiting for the speaker to show up today. That's the reason why I took it out of the package, because I'm expecting the I bought the orange PPC 122, something like that. It's a 60 watt cabinet that I bought for this amp. I'm just trying to figure out if that's okay, man, because, you know, I don't know. Can you hear it?